So I tell her, right, I don't even like spaghetti and meatballs. I get to her house, on the counter, she has spaghetti and meatballs.
Oh man, I hate it when that happens.
Every single time I tell her I don't like something, it's the complete opposite.
Yo, it's like this one time up in Nunavut. When I go out and hunt for whales, I bring back the blubber and they don't even know how to cook it, you know?
Unappreciated people in this world, eh?
Unbelievable about these good old Canadian gals, eh?
Yeah. Have you ever even been to Canada? You gonna answer that or what?
Oh yeah, eh?
Jeez.
Hello? Yes, this is Jenny's Butters. Oh yeah, Jenny speaking here, eh? Oh, holy Toledo. Oh, good old Quebec boy. Hey, how you doing? Yes, we do oil changes out here in the West Coast, eh? Oh yeah, glad you could make it out here in Calgary. Yeah, we'll be right with you. Thank you.
Who was that, Jenny?
Well, that was our old friend Steve out there from Quebec, eh?
Steve from Quebec. Great guy.
Oh,
comes
fantastic.
From a great family.
Oh, great family, yeah.
Mother, best cook.
Oh, the best. Spaghetti and meatballs all day. Hey,
I like spaghetti and meatballs.
To the left, to the left.
So what did Steve want anyway?
Oh, Stevie boy? An oil change, yeah!
You want an oil change?
Oh yeah, you know, Steve lives at 423 Condor Ave. You know where that is?
Of course I know what that is. You're acting like it's the first time he went to Steve's house before.
Oh.
Jeez.
Oh, okay.
It's right up here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh! Holy bucket! I think we killed this dog. Oh my, you're horse! Oh my god. Oh! Is he gonna make it? What is this kind of mud? Hey! Hey! Help him on! Okay? Help him on his horse! Oh! Oh, but yeah! Are you okay? Are you okay?
Did you call Steve and tell him we're on our way or what?
Damn near lost my phone back there in that car accident.
Sparky's on your phone!
A golden retriever? Are you kidding me?
No treat for you, Sparky!
Are you Snapchatting my girls?
Sparky, what are you doing? Did you get a hold of Steve yet?
I'm trying right now, but I mean, it's ringing and... Oh, what is that? Is that in here? Steve! Steve, is that you?
Jenny, what's up, guy?
Are you in the car right now?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, come on. I need an oil change, Jenny. You let me down. You're dead. Woo! Yeah, I'm driving the car. Oh my god, I'm dead. No. No. No! Sparky! No!